Hey guys, welcome back to my Java tutorial part 3.1. On part 3.0, well, I said that in part 3.1 we'll go over the if statement syntax for chars. The reason I said 3.1 is because chars have their own syntax. It's not even if. So char. Well, a and here's the syntax. It's switch, parenthesis, and the variable name, value, brackets. Oh yeah, forgot semicolon. Now instead of typing it in, you type case, parenthesis, a colon, and yeah. And there can be multiple cases at function at once. Case A, case lowercase a, and case uppercase A. And what you do is you type tab to type in the case for the letter. And every switch statement also needs another one, default. Now default is when it's tried all of the cases, none more. So instead of defaults to what's the case, use it if none of the cases are fit. Default system out line provider. Oops. Semicolon. Now sometimes you don't even need a case. You can just make it a default. However, that'd be a waste of time because you can remove the switch statement and do what the default is. So my recommendation, if you're not going to use anything for cases in a switch statement, then just defaults, simply remove the switch statement entirely, and only write what's going to be the default without default. I hope that was comprehensible. Case A, also A. Actually no. Case uppercase A. A. And what you do to like close the case, if you know what I mean, no pun intended. Just type it break semicolon and break. Oops. That's basically a rundown on switch statements. So it's A. Now let's type in some spam. Remove that. Then yeah, So that concludes part 3.1. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see y'all in part 3.2. We are not done with part 3 point mini series.